And welcome to this video. My last video was seeing how many rolling stock and locomotives I could get going one full loop all the way around the track. And I think the record was 27, including 2 or 3 locomotives. Somebody suggested doing it with just one locomotive, see how many cars I could get. I may do that. So one thing that happened after trying to get a record number of cars was my cars are in terrible shape. So I have a bunch that are still in the box. So today I'm going to, I don't even know what these are. Looks like a flat car of some sort. Anyway, I'm going to get all these out and see if I can put some of them together. They're really old, a lot of them. But I'll see which ones can work. I think I got my work cut out for me. Telephone poles, I guess. That's an electric log dump. So I'm going to dig all these out. Look at that, Vermont, Central Vermont, Vermont Milk, Green Mountain Route. Oh, number 556. This has the KD couplers. The problem, so it seems like they all have their own idiosyncrasy, is the springs on the KD couplers, when they come off, they are a nightmare. That one still has a spring. I don't think. I don't know. I'll look at that. Anyway, I'm going to look at all these, see if there's any, like, I don't know. I think these don't have couplers at all. So I'm already getting a reject pile. There's the horn couplers. That one looks like it's ready to go. Woohoo! Let's see. So we'll start a pile of ready to go cars. Ready to go, Gerber. These are missing the couplers. Yeah, this is missing the undercarriage. So some assembly required, I would guess. Whistle stop trains, Vermont Railway. Ooh. Oh, nice. Let's put this one together. The mystery will be what kind of couplers. I got an idea I'm going to be setting up for 2 different trains. There's a weight. Well, so I won't bore you with this. We some assembly required, and these are not for me, they're not going well. Those are really stiff for some reason. Must not be holding my mouth right or something. Not sure why it's so tight in there. These were in the kit. It came with it. I'm going to try this one more. I don't know why it was so tight over there. Wish this was magnetic. I do. So tiny. So I'm starting the screw in the hole first. So that seems to work all right there. But this is loose. I'd like to tighten that up a little. That's just really too tight. Well, maybe it's all right. Okay, I'm going to say that we got that one. Wow. I have 2 that are operational so far. Okay, I will work on getting more of these going because I really want to set a record. No wonder these were never put together. Okay, this is just, my back is still out. It's feeling better, but I'm just not able to do much on the actual layout. So I thought this would be great. I'll still work on these for a little bit longer. But I guess that's going to do it. I don't want to bore you to death, to tears, you know what I'm saying? So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hey, leave a comment, and if you got any helpful hints on how to put these together, please let me know. Thanks. See you later. Have a great day.